welcome to the channel. We are going to be learning how to code today, learning how to code throughout this whole channel. I don't have very much coding experience, so you guys are going to go on this journey with me. Let me start you off with where I've been and where I've come from. I have limited, very limited coding experience, basically Googling things when I can. So here we are. And I've just finished this great educative Learn Python 3 from scratch free course. I encourage you to go ahead and try to browse through that as well if you want to try to jump in on this journey with me. As it says in the title of this channel, we're going to be focusing on Code Wars. You can see the hyperlink right there, codewars.com. They present daily challenges for us to work through together. I will be focusing on Python. So let's get into it and tackle this first challenge, also called a kata.